Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find Tonkeeper wallet address. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step. Firstly, at this home page at the top, you can see wallet. You need to tap on that and choose the wallet that you want to see the wallet address of. Currently, I only have one Tonkeeper wallet, but in your case, if you have various, then you can choose the one that you want to find the Tonkeeper wallet address of. Now after choosing, you will be led to this home page, and at the top you can see your balance, and just below that you will be seeing your address. You can simply tap on that and it will be copied, and this is your Tonkeeper wallet address. However, in order to see your old and your new wallet address, you need to go on your settings. Now tap on the settings at the top right. You will be led to this kind of interface, and there at the bottom you can see address update. Simply tap on that. And here you will be able to find your old address and your new address. And this is how you can find Tonkeeper wallet address. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.